In the last 11 years, we've recorded 339 campgrounds in Colorado. During that same time, there are two areas which have made up about half of our camping trips. First is the Taylor River and Taylor Park Reservoir area outside of Gunnison. The second most camped location for us in Colorado are the campgrounds around Turquoise Lake outside of Leadville. The campgrounds at Turquoise Lake were some of the first on the channel. Back in 2016, we recorded all of the campgrounds. I believe those were around number 25 through 35. We've been back multiple times camping, primarily at 3 of the 8 campgrounds here, but we chose not to re-record any of the campgrounds during those trips. The series that we're starting today was recorded in late May 2025. First up is the Matchless Campground, which is one we have not camped at and probably not on our list to camp at. It's by the boat ramp, and it's really just a large parking lot. The sites are in the trees and really don't look too bad, but the large parking lot turns me off. There's also a overflow area near the boat ramp for additional camping. Let me know if you've camped here or what you think after you watch the video. We're going to check out the Matchless Campground and boat ramp here at Turquoise Lake. If I would have gone straight there, that would have been the Silver Dollar Campground. The campground is to the left. Let's go check out the boat ramp first, and then we'll come back up. Now there's a little campground overflow. Let's check that out. We're back in the overflow parking. These are...
It's number 4 here on the right.
Yeah, it's just...
5, 6...
There's no picnic tables on
7,
a lot of these on the right.
8... And a few of them over there.
Yeah.
I have 14, 15, 16... 17, 18.
Easy access to the beach,
20.
but no picnic areas in the overflow. Elevation here at Turquoise Lake is just under 10,000 feet, depending on where you're at. Overnight temperatures when we camp here in July is usually in the mid-30s. Cell phone service is really good on the east side of the lake. On the west end at May Queen Campground, it's a little spotty at times. I kind of remember this one. It seemed like it was just a big parking lot with some picnic tables and stuff off to the side. $29. Oh, they got it now where you can pay with your recreation.gov mobile app by scanning the QR code. Nice. All right, let's check it out. Got some sites off to the right here.
15. 14. 13. That one That's 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7 was probably right there. No, that was 7 right there at the end.
Okay. So 7 through, what was it? 15 was the first one?
Yeah.
Okay, so 7 through 15, those are all along the lake. These on this side will not be as exciting.
16.
That's 6. There's 5.
5, okay. I'm having trouble seeing with the sun. 4. 3. 2. And last but not least on the right is 1. Oh, it's kind of on the slope a little bit.
Yeah,
That was if you wanted
that's
to get
the road coming in up above it too. Check the interactive map on our website to see more campsites in this area. We've toured hundreds of campgrounds. Each pin on the map links directly to our video of that campground, and if the site accepts reservations, we've included the reservation link as well.